So I don't know if you're going to be able to see this real well, but I've smoothed out some of the areas with the Flowable Evercoat Metalworks Easy Sand, and now I've been kind of working on sanding it with some of my sanding blocks. This is one area that I have not sanded yet. It does sand easier than the standard bondo. Take the edges down to where they are flush with the old bondo. It's about 120 grit sandpaper that I'm using on this sanding block. So nothing incredibly coarse. I'm feeling it out with my fingers. That's the only way you can tell. The material is still yet to come off to get very smooth transitions. Now once you get the edges fairly sanded down, and you can use your medium. I still have some work to do up there. This is your fine sanding. So I still have a lot to do in that area there, but it kind of gives you an idea of how easy this stuff is to sand as opposed to the regular bondo.